Hi, I'd like to return this shirt, please.
Sure. Is there any problem with it?
Yes, the size is too small for me.
I see. Did you already wear it?
No, I only tried it on at home.
All right. Do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check the purchase details.
I bought it 2 days ago.
Perfect. It's still within the return period.
That's good to hear.
Would you like a refund or would you prefer another size?
I think I'll try a larger size instead.
No problem. Let me see if we still have it in stock.
All right.
Good news! We have the larger size available.
Great! Can I try it on first?
Of course! The fitting rooms are over there.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Hey, where are you? I've been waiting for almost 30 minutes.
I'm really sorry. I'm stuck in traffic right now.
You said you'd be here by 5 p.m.
I know, but the roads are completely packed today.
I've already finished my coffee while waiting for you.
At least you didn't get bored completely.
Honestly, I was starting to think you forgot our plan.
No way. I would never forget.
Then why didn't you text me earlier?
My phone battery was almost dead, so I was trying to save it.
All right, that makes sense. How much longer will you take?
Maybe another 10 minutes. I'm fairly close now.
Okay, I'll wait a little longer.
Thanks for being patient.
You owe me another coffee after this.
Deal! I'll even buy you dessert too.
Haha, now I'm less angry.
Good! I'll be there soon.
My laptop battery keeps dying really fast lately. How old is your laptop? I bought it about 3 years ago. That might explain the battery problem. Yeah, it used to last almost 6 hours before. And how long does it last now? Barely 1 hour without charging. Wow, that's a huge difference. It's becoming really annoying, especially during work meetings. I can imagine. Does it also get hot quickly? Yes, especially when I open too many programs. Then the battery may need replacement soon. Do you think replacing the battery is expensive? It depends on the laptop model, but it's usually cheaper than buying a new laptop. That's true. I definitely can't afford a new laptop right now. You should take it to a repair shop for a checkup. Yeah, I think that's the best option. Hopefully they can fix it quickly. I hope so too. Thanks for the advice. Anytime.